Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might have wondered how to move your USDT around on Binance. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds, but let's break it down step by step to make sure you do it right and avoid any hiccups. First off, what's USDT? It's Tether, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value stays rock steady, which is perfect for transfers without the roller coaster of other cryptos. Now, even though we're transferring within the same platform, like from your spot wallet to your futures wallet, it's all about internal movements on Binance. Start by logging into your Binance account. Make sure you're using two-factor authentication for extra security. That's a must in 2025's crypto world. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. You'll see options for different wallets, like Spot, Funding, or Margin. Select the wallet where your USDT is currently sitting, that's your source wallet. Then, look for the Transfer button, which is usually right there or under a drop-down menu. Next, choose your destination wallet. For example, if you're moving funds to trade futures, pick the futures wallet. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Binance might show you any fees involved. Keep an eye on those, as they can vary based on network congestion. Hit Confirm and double-check everything. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transfer should happen almost instantly since it's internal. Boom! Your USDT is now where you need it. A quick tip: always verify your balances after the transfer to ensure everything's accurate. And remember, while Binance is secure, never share your keys or passwords. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.